Today, let me show you our big size honeycomb glass dome. This dome is 10 meter diameter. The top height is 5 meter. The whole space is 38 square meter. It can be your landmark building in your market. The door opening is designed to be a hexagon shape. It's elegant, spacious, and easy for people to go through. The whole structure is made of full aluminum alloy, so it's compact, high density, and super strong. So the whole structure is very stable and safe. At the top, we have set up 5 electronic skylights, which can be opened with automatic control, perfect for astronomical observation. Around the dome, we have designed 12 glass windows like this to enhance airflow and also provide seamless panoramic view. The dome surface is covered with blue mirror tempered glass, making it stand out with unique elegance. Inside of the dome, you can add the solid panels to keep privacy, decoration, and insulation. It can be used for all the seasons. During the day, it becomes a 360-degree panoramic view dome. At night, it transforms into a stargazing. Our 10-meter honeycomb glass dome brings together aesthetics, functionality, comfort, and technology, making it both practical and visually stunning. We are Hexagon, with 13 years dedicated to research, development, and the construction of glass dome. Our staring glass dome projects have been delivered worldwide, earning outstanding customer feedback. If you are interested, leave us a comment below. Welcome to visit our factory and contact us now.